Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi turning off automatically on Android. Let's get started. First, open settings on your phone, then tap network and internet or connections, then go to Wi-Fi. Next, tap Wi-Fi preferences or advanced. Make sure options like turn off Wi-Fi automatically or Wi-Fi power saving mode are disabled. Then go back to your settings, then battery saver. If battery saver is on, it might turn off Wi-Fi to save power. Turn it off or exclude the Wi-Fi app or settings from power restrictions. You can also go to battery usage and set it to unrestricted. If it's still happening, go to settings and system and reset option, then reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. This will refresh your connections, and don't worry, it won't delete your data. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.